CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.10 Given a scenario, install and configure browsers and relevant security settings. Website Security Certificates. To begin this video segment, let's discuss what a website security certificate is. You can think of a certificate as a digital ID card for a website. Just like you need identification to verify who you are, websites need certificates to prove their authenticity and ensure secure communication. Imagine you're about to enter a secure website. Your web browser checks this certificate to confirm the site's identity, like a virtual handshake, before it establishes a secure connection. These certificates are crucial in safeguarding sensitive data, such as personal information or credit card details, from falling into the wrong hands. So how are certificates acquired? Certificates are issued and managed by trusted third-party entities known as certificate authorities or CAs. These CAs act as digital notaries, verifying the identity and authenticity of a website. When a website owner wants a certificate, they go through a validation process with the CA. The CA will verify the website owner's identity and domain ownership to ensure they are legitimate. Once the validation is successful, the CA issues a digital certificate containing the website's public encryption key and other essential information. When you access a website using HTTPS in the URL, your web browser recognizes this and checks for a valid certificate. If the certificate is valid and trusted, your browser establishes a secure, encrypted connection with the website's server. The lock icon you see in the browser's address bar indicates a secure connection. It means your data, such as login credentials or credit card information, is encrypted while being transmitted, making it extremely difficult for hackers to intercept or decipher. But be careful, not all certificates are trustworthy. Let's talk about valid and invalid certificates. A valid certificate is one that has been issued by a reputable CA and is within its validity date range. On the other hand, an invalid certificate raises a red flag. When you encounter an invalid certificate, your browser will display a warning message like, "Your connection is not private," or, "The security certificate presented by this website has expired or is not yet valid." This is a safety measure to protect you from potential threats, such as phishing attacks, data interception, or malware, and it is generally best to avoid proceeding to such a website unless you're certain it's safe. One common issue that might cause a certificate to appear invalid, even though it may be valid, is when a computer's date and time settings are incorrect. If this is the case, it can interfere with certificate validation, making it appear as a certificate has expired or is not yet valid, even though it may be fine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.